True, sir.
They are so nasty people that they are almost anti-constitutional people. Basically, there's some Article 35A,
Uh,
and since Nehru was involved very intensively because he was all the time safeguarding interests of the Britishers. And
uh,
that's how the nasty article like 333 was incorporated in whereby the two Anglo-Indians were nominated in our parliament.
True, sir.
Otherwise, there's just no reason why any Anglo-Indians should sit in our parliament.
Right, sir.
So uh, article that Jawaharlal Nehru, since he was thickly involved in the uh, deliberation of constitution, so I'm very sure he was not an ignorant person, and
Sir.
he knew fully well that no article can be created by the notification of the president.
Sir.
But he was not a plain-hearted people, and he was very sure that he can't go into the he can't take the matter to the parliament. So that's how जो है Article 35A was enacted without going to parliament and taking recourse of pressurizing Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And despite the fact they know fully well that Constitution has not given any special power to the Prime Minister of the country. All powers are vested in the Council of Ministers.
Correct, sir.
So, to be frank, that Prime Minister is having only one power. He can recommend the name of the Council of name to be included in the Council of Ministers.
Sir.
Rest of the things are need to be deliberated in the Council of Ministers and to be conveyed. He is just a conveyor and the leader of the Council of Ministers.
Sir.
Then under what capacity when in 1948 we are winning a war?
Sir.
Under what capacity Prime Minister went to the All India Radio and announced the ceasefire?
Yeah, true, sir.
No, but whether the Prime Minister of the country is having that power?
No.
Without deliberation with the Council of Ministers, without talking to the Home Minister Sardar Patel, under which constitutional power he went to All India Radio? Nobody questioned it because we are very selfish people.
Yes, sir. In
हम
fact,
सब लोग अपनी नौकरी कर रहे हैं और
Yes,
बस
sir.
उसी में खुश हैं और हमको अच्छी एक प्लम पोस्टिंग मिल जाए जिसमें भ्रष्टाचार करने का मौका मिल जाए, बस यहीं पे हमारी सोच टिकी हुई